In this video, we will show you how to attach the retention filter to our rubber valve. First, remove the front blue end of the rubber valve. Then push the stainless steel tube approximately 1 centimeter further into the rubber valve. After that, place the blue end back onto the tube. This creates enough space to insert the filter into the blue end of the rubber valve. Here you can see a close-up showing the difference before and after pushing the tube further into the valve. Make sure that the retention filter is firmly seated in the rubber valve. Finally, you can connect the valve to your freeze-drying accessories.